this is the world's first all-in-one drone with dual 8K 360 cameras. This literally will capture everything around you, and there are no attachments needed. What's up everyone? This is John from Tesla Owners of Silicon Valley. I can't wait to unbox this Antigravity. This is the world's first ever dual camera 360 view 8K drone. It's absolutely insane. I'm gonna go through, the top 7 reasons why this thing sticks out and what makes it unique, but we are also going to unbox it. So let's jump into it and talk a little bit about what makes this camera very unique. All right guys, as I mentioned, this is the world's first all-in-one drone with dual 8K 360 cameras. This literally will capture everything around you, and there are no attachments needed. And I'm just super excited. It also has a full immersive 360 live view and head tracking, obviously with the headset that really just kind of gives you that full immersive view and perspective. And then there's the free motion technology, which lets you look freely in any direction without changing where the drone is heading, and total freedom in the sky. It's also got the intuitive grip controller. I can't wait to get my hands on that, which you get to forget the complex sticks. This is motion sensing grip controller that lets you fly by pointing and tilting. So it's super beginner friendly. And for me, as you guys know, I am not a big drone guy. And so to be able to get something that is super easy is huge. And also too, this has the post-flight reframing magic. You shoot once in 360, then reframe in any angle. You can add cinematic moves or switch formats all in one editing, no reshooting needed. It's going to be an absolute game changer. And also too, the big thing guys, is this is ultra lightweight. It's only 249 grams, foldable, and under most registration limits worldwide. And what that means is you will be able to actually take this really wherever you want and fly it without any drone restrictions, just because it is under that 249 grams. And then also too, sharing and safety features. Others can watch your live view on the goggles external display. So it actually, I get that not only am I fully immersed, but on the goggles, you can see it from the front. So, this is going to allow for, you to avoid obstacles along with return home for safe, fun flights. So let's get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and use the handy dandy thing to open this. I just wanna quickly call out, this is the Infinity Bundle, Pack Infinity. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. So we're gonna see what we get in here. Love the fact that this case, again, this is just, I can put this on my shoulder strap here, and boom, there you go. So it's got this full kind of, this full experience just to kind of go on your shoulder. And then, let's just see what else is in here. All right, so in here, it looks like, what do we got at the top here? So it looks like this is a battery lanyard. We got a cloth here. We also have, it looks like potentially this is like a rim protector, and just a bunch of the charging cables here. And again, this is probably that lens protector, or at least it just protects the outside of it. And looks like this is the, check this out. So, so this looks like it is potentially the batteries. So that's huge for it to come with, just the batteries kind of already built in. Let's take that off. And again, I believe that, this battery lanyard is probably gonna go with it. So yeah, these are the batteries. So it comes with 2 batteries, and I assume that this is, there's one battery inside of the device, but these are fast chargers here. Again, it says Antigravity, and we'll get this all charged up. And again, comes with these USB-Cs here. So yeah, and then this looks like this is potentially the power cable for potentially faster charging. And then, all right, let's open up this. Really nice kind of overall experience just unboxing this. And again, I love that it just kind of comes in this pack here. check this out, okay? This is probably, dude, is this the actual drone? Are you serious? This is crazy. I mean, I guess that makes sense why it's so light, 249 grams. But here's the 8K dual cameras. And again, the way that this is, you're not gonna miss a beat. There's even a camera down here and a bunch of cameras down here. So, but yeah, super, super cool. Let's see what else is in here. This is probably that controller where, again, it's super, super user-friendly. So yeah, check this out. So again, I think the key thing here is that you can just tilt and then this is the go. But again, you know, I'm gonna get experience as we go. So it looks like you even have to charge this thing. So again, we'll set that up in the USB-C charger, which comes with the kit. And then again, this is just gonna go like right there. And then what's interesting, this is the fully immersive goggles. And what makes this unique, so I'm gonna find this, is that not only are you feeling like you are there, but what makes it special is that people in front can see what you're doing. So again, I'm just gonna remove all this. So, and then just check this out. So it looks like there's this here. But yeah, I love how compact this is. Just check this out. So it just gives you all of the things you should know. But yeah, I just really love how they've made this. It looks like maybe there's even a small fan here. And you can just put this on. It looks like these are kind of like some goggles. So one thing that will be interesting is I have glasses. So I'm gonna have to see if I may have to use a different pair, but my question is can I get these in and still, but again, I'll have to try that out another time. That's one thing that could be interesting. But yeah, so it looks like you can just take off these goggles there, which is really cool. And just peel those out. And looks like this is just like kind of like a nose pad. But yeah, just really cool. And again, here's the charger. Here's the front of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these goggles back on it. And then again, this just kind of easily just jumps inside of here. So it's got like all these compartments. It even has, it looks like there's even some more stuff inside of here, which is, looks like, oh, look at that. So they got some propellers and a tool as well, just in case you break one of your propellers. So just check that out. Yeah, just super cool. Like again, this is kind of like a whole kit just in case, you know, something happens, maybe when your propellers hits a tree and it breaks part of it. But they really do a good job to, you know, really bring all this stuff together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. I'm not gonna take out everything here. Again, the battery lanyard and some of this other stuff. I just wanted to open this up. I'm gonna stick all this stuff back in, but super love the bag. And then again, here's just the drone just goes straight up in here. Look at that. And then what's interesting is, look at this. The battery, just stick it in here. And that literally will pretty much take care of all of it. So love it. This is just gonna be an on-the-go, you know, flyer. Yeah, love the bag. Again, this is the Infinity bundle. And then here we have, again, this battery here. It looks like this is actually an extra battery pack, potentially. So yeah, this is a recharging lithium-ion battery. So it looks like you have 2 of them for flying, and then this is potentially for the other products. And it's just, again, super cool. And then check this out. This looks like, is this the kind of the owner's manual? You know, got all the stuff you need. Yeah, so all of this stuff is just super cool for the Infinity bundle. And then also too, look at this. I have a launch pad. Just kind of a launch pad where the drone will actually land. So we're just gonna pull this out. Oh, interesting. So check this out. And it's kind of freaky, to be honest, how small this thing is. That's all it is, right? Just here the drone goes on and there you go. But yeah, so I'm super excited. I walked you through the 7 reasons why, or what really makes this very unique, what makes this drone very unique. And this again is the Infinity bundle, which is super cool. And yeah, just let me know what you think, if you've had any experiences with it. And yeah, shout out to Antigravity for giving us this drone to just test out, and I can't wait to capture some amazing footage. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you again for tuning in. And if you have this drone, drop a comment and let me know what you like most about it.